Guys, hello and welcome to the House of Crypto. If you want to be kept up to date with the latest happening in the markets and be given realistic analytical advice on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a number of different altcoins, then make sure you're liking and subscribing to this video to be kept up to date. Guys, today we're going to quickly look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts because something is playing out literally as we speak that is going to have potentially a really big effect on the market, and potentially if you're holding Bitcoin, something you're really going to watch. Really going to want to watch. Okay, so let's jump into the chart here. So this is the Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we've been playing out this triangle pattern for a number of weeks, sorry, a number of days now. And in the past, what we've seen is these breaking to the upside. Now, as we can see here, this triangle pattern is quite bottom heavy. So we've been putting in lower highs, yeah, but we've actually started to retest this once, twice, 3, 4, even 5 times here. Guys, the more we start to test something, the eventual outcome is it's likely to give on us. In comparison, we've only hit the top 3 times, and as we've seen, it's kind of definitely we've been kind of expecting this to happen. So what's the potential downside here? So as we can see, guys, it's literally just broken out here. Now this doesn't mean that this is going to pile in all the way down. However, there's a very good chance that that might happen. So in the past, we've seen that it's broken through there and it's rebuilt back up above and only put in sort of like a fake out or a dead cat bounce, right? So what we see potentially playing out is for this to come down and to come back up and retest this before breaking to the downside. If it does that, guys, it's pretty much going to go, okay? Not always the case, but this is the most likely scenario, right? So don't jump into a trade right now. Personally, I am going to wait to see how this plays out, whether we're going to bounce back up inside, in which case I might be looking towards doing another scenario. However, at the moment, we're looking for this to retest before heading down, before we're going to enter our trade. Now, how far, what's our price target we're going to look at? So if we take it from the apex here, so all the way down to there, it's not going to look so good, I'm afraid. So we bring it to where the breakout point is. We can look at this, is bringing us down to about 23.35, so maybe, I mean, that's quite a long way down. Potentially it won't come down that far. Guys, we're looking at like 32%. Guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you think this is going to break to the downside? If it does, what's your plan? Are you planning on holding? Are you going to be getting in at a lower price? Guys, if this breaks to the downside and it finds this level of support, potentially a really great opportunity to buy more Bitcoin, and potentially the chance you're going to get, one of the last chances you're going to get to buy Bitcoin before, you may never see 20k again. Okay, so guys, not financial advice. Obviously, make your own decisions, and always keep an eye on what's happening. Never put in more money than you can afford to lose, because it's just silly and could leave you in a lot of trouble, guys. Okay, so if this does get rejected, what else could we see happening? So this gets rejected, we can see perhaps it breaking up, but we're running out of time in this triangle pattern here, and it's going to have to make a decision. So maybe it doesn't get rejected, maybe it comes back down further, or maybe we're going to break to the upside. Okay, right now, obviously that doesn't look particularly likely. There's always a scenario that we might be expecting. Okay, so always expect everything and wait for it. Wait for the charts to tell us exactly what we're going to do. Okay, so be patient. Maybe you can set alerts using Bybit or whatever, and then whenever the situation presents itself, then we can make our decision. Okay, but otherwise, if we're just guessing, it's just gambling. Okay, so we're not gamblers, right? We're trading. Okay, cool. So what I wanted to do as well is look at the Bitcoin. Let's jump on over to the Ethereum chart, guys. So one moment, reload. Going to work for us. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so now Ethereum chart is lining up looking slightly different. Okay, oh, this is Bitcoin. Okay, bear with me. Jump on over to the Ethereum chart. Cool. Okay, guys. So into Ethereum. This again, we've been playing out the pattern. If you took the trade with me the other day, probably and took your profits, we basically came up, almost hit that highest price target, but hopefully we're taking profits along the way, and then we secured some profits there before we come back down. Now at the moment, guys, it's come back down to retest. It's broken through this line of support, and it's come back down to another line of support just down here. Okay, so we are not sure exactly what's going to happen here, guys. So it's come back down to retest. As we see, literally in the last few minutes, it's come down on the 4 hour It's bounced off of this red line here, okay, which is I think the 20-week EMA, and it's pushed back up, guys. Bitcoin has been dipping while Ethereum has been pumping. So in the ratios or the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, we've seen Ethereum pumping against Bitcoin in the last few days. This could be a sign that that's going to continue. We're just perhaps going in for a retest, in which case we'll be looking to long Ethereum again, looking to an upside, guys. And if we take from the apex here, I'm not going to do it now because this video is mainly about Bitcoin. We're going to be looking to around 1650, and then from there we'll be looking to push towards 2,200 from swing lows to swing highs, guys. So that's something we'll cover in the next few days. I think it's going to be worth waiting to see what's going to play out here, whether Ethereum can hold this line of support here, like it's doing quite nicely. Then we're going to be looking quite positive. But right now, let's wait and see what happens. If it dips below here, then we'll be looking to see what plays out and what we can do to profit from the markets. But guys, remember, not financial advice. Make your own decisions. Go away and do some research. It's worth, if you're new to trading, go away. There's plenty of information online where you can start looking into different patterns, bullish patterns, bearish patterns, learning about support and resistance. This is probably the best way for you guys to get started. And then you can slowly sort of move into it. There's no rush. Remember, stay patient and strike when the moment's right. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you've got any comments, anything you agree or disagree with, please put it down below. Always interesting to hear feedback, and we'll see what happens. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to be kept up to date with the most realistic chart analysis out there. Thanks very much, guys. Hope to see you soon. Take care, and bye-bye.